Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prayash Fashions and today I'll be going to show you all exclusive block prints on Zari border tussar. Before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so whenever we upload the videos you will get the notification. COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay and direct bank transfer also we accept. So let's start with the sari number 1. This is the sari number 1. As you can see, it's a combination of Firoza and chocolate brown. It's a deep brown color and this is the hand block discharge print. So this is the pallu of the sari and just see the body color and the design. It's a leaf with a multicolor orange and Firoza with a white discharge. So throughout the sari the same design will come. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari. Just see the color combination. So this is a very pretty one. The design, the block is very nice. I love this block personally. So just see the color combination. It's a chocolate and Firoza, and this is the all over look of the sari. This is a very pretty one. See the pallu. I'll just drape. So we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. So please visit our store. It's open all day from Monday to Sunday from 11:30 to 8 o'clock. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the all over look. It's a very smart and very elegant, and just see the blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. This is again a light brown color and just see the discharge print. It's a Rani discharge. This is the pallu of the sari and just have a look. It's a very ethnic look. It's not very vibrant color combination, as well as it's a very ethnic look. So this is the look of the sari. It's a temple border both side and this will come to the middle. So this is a wine maroon color, the base color. I'll show you the closer view. Just see the color combination. It's a wine maroon base color, then brown discharge with white outline. So throughout the sari, this is very uncommon. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the look. I'll just show you the closer view of this. So this is the print and pallu, and the blouse is full printed. I'll just show after this. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just have a look. This is very pretty one. And the blouse, just see the blouse and border is there. So this is the blouse of the sari, fully printed blouse. Comes with the sari. Ajrak hand block discharge print. So as you can see how many colors we have used in this design. So blue, Firoza, orange, yellow, green, and so many colors are there. Can't see anymore. So there are 5-6 colors are there. It's all over. I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari. It's a red and pallu border. This is the all over look. The front, the first half will come all over printed. Just see the print color color combination. So this is the all over look and the half sari. So this is very difficult to make. It's all hand block. As you can see how many colors we have put in this. So this is the look of the sari. Just see this is the look of the sari. This is amazing sari, very elegant, very colorful. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. This is a combination of red, black and yellow. It's a discharge print, as you can see. I'll just show you the closer view of this block. So this is the print, pallu and border. One side big border. This is the one side big border and this is upper border. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the all over look. Just see the design and color combination. So this is a very pretty one. Just see the border. So how how it will look. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you like the sarees and want to change the color combination or any customization, so that can be done on order also. So this is the look of the saree. This is a pallu and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree. So this is a combination of blue and white. It's a virgin color tussar. This will come to the skirt only. So this is the pallu of the saree, and just have a look. This print is showing. This is the all over look, and just see the color combination. It's a froza blue green with the white discharge. So this is the pallu. So this is the all over look of the saree. This is the pallu, and the blouse is fully printed. So this is a bandhni print. So this is the blouse of the saree. Again the same design in different combination. Previous one had a blue and green combination, and this is a red, orange, rani and yellow combination. So this is the same pattern. It will come to the skirt, and the pallu border will be red. How it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the saree. Just have a look. So this is the all over look of the saree. Pallu, and there is a blouse. Again the same pattern blouse. It's a bandhni print. It's a print all over printed blouse. So this is a hand paint. It's a combination of black and white base colors. Pallu border and blouse will be black, and this is the corner to corner design. So it's a hand painting. As you can see the color combination, it's a orange yellow, rani black, green. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the saree, and it's a rising pallu. This will come to the skirt. So this is the look of the saree. Pallu, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree. This is a chocolate brown color, and it's a all over print. It's a geometrical and floral. As you can see on the pallu, there is a geometrical and floral designs there. It's a discharge, fully discharged print. I'll just show you the closer view of this border, and this will come to the middle of the body. So this is very classy saree, very ethnic. So this is the pallu of the saree. This is the all over look. So just have a look. So this is the all over look of the saree and pallu. And the blouse is full printed. This saree has got full printed blouse. This is a ajrak print. As you can see, the pallu border will be a combination of black and grey. So this is a shaded gunny spray on the pallu, and this is the body, and this will come to the skirt. It's a temple. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just see the pallu of the saree, and this is the body, and this will come to the skirt, the temple design. So just have a look. So this is the all over look of the saree, the pallu. I'll just show you the closer view of this color combination. So it's a grey black outline, froza green So this is the look of the sari, and the blouse is black. This is the blouse of the sari. This is the combination of frozen and basically the off-white. Then we have done a peacock feather design. It's a hand painting, as you can see. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the feather design will come throughout the sari. This is the all over look of the sari. Just so this is the look of the sari, pallu and the blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. The hand painting. So this is the pallu. It's a shaded. It's a orange, yellow, and red. So it's a shaded pallu, and all over body it's a hand painting. As you can see, this is all over running, and there is a blouse. So this is the red blouse of the sari. As you can see, this is the pallu. It's a rani pink, and on the edge of the pallu there is a grey line, and paisley is there, and this is all over same print. As you can see the border, I'll show you the closer view of this border. Just see the border. This is very traditional border. It's a hand block, and all over body it's a rani pink color. So this is the all over look of the sari. So this is a pallu, and this is a body, and border is there, and the blouse. So this is the blouse, and border is there. The pallu of the sari, and this will come to the skirt part. Just see the color combination. It's a hand block discharge print. It's a rani black outline with the yellow. So this will come like throughout the sari on the skirt part, and body is a black. Just have a look. And blouse is fully printed. The USP of the sari is blouse is fully printed. So thank you so much for watching and joining. If you like the sari, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so whenever you upload the videos you will get the notification. We are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. We do wholesale and retail also, and bulk queries please do WhatsApp. It's given on the screen. It's 8296897264. COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay or Phone Pay. Please do share the video as much as you can. We need your support. Thank you so much.